Guys, this is Janani Balaji and you're watching Beauty Bonkers. So after a while, maybe a year, we went out to have breakfast outside, and also we went shopping in a mall in Chennai, and I just booked an Uber cab, and then we started. We are heading to Eating Circles, which is quite a popular place for breakfast. They have nice idli, vadai, dosai, sambar, all of it. They also have Karnataka style sweet kind of sambar, which I really enjoy, and they also have the usual Tamil Nadu sambar, and we also had roast milk that day. So all of this food, sambar vadai, medu vadai, and idli, all of this, me, my sister, and my brother had all of that, and my aunt ordered a Mysore masala dosa, which was also delicious. I just tasted like I just had one bite, and we are heading to Express Avenue in auto, and then we reached there, which is in Roypeta. It's been quite some time since I visited Express Avenue, so we just decided we'll go to that place. And the first stop is Bath and Body Works. I just wanted to buy a shower gel. I was out of all my Bath and Body Works shower gels, and I really liked them, you guys. So I just got one shower gel, even though they had some offer. I just ended up buying one, and there was some decoration going on for Independence Day to the mall one day prior to Independence Day, and hence the decoration. And yeah, it looked pretty nice actually. And then we headed towards our next stop, which is actually Miniso. I really like Miniso, and I was hoping to find some good stuff in Miniso this time, but sadly there wasn't much going on. I didn't find too many things that I wanted to buy, so I ended up buying a few things. I just wanted a mirror, like a table mirror for filming my makeup videos, that is like short, and I can put it like right beneath my face so that I can see myself while filming myself for my YouTube videos and stuff. There were these shower gels and stuff, which I ended up not buying. I actually wanted a coffee mug, so I was actually eyeing on this elephant coffee mug and the tiger coffee mugs and stuff, but I ended up getting a plain pastel mug, a pink color pastel mug. It did look really nice, and the quality was also there, you guys. The quality did look very nice, and I've already used it a couple of times. It is very good. So this is the mug I actually ended up buying, and it was for like 140 rupees, I guess. It's pretty affordable, and they also have these new earrings section that I've never seen on many, so I just wanted to try out. But I ended up buying just one, just like only one of these earrings caught my attention, and that was the one, so I ended up buying that. This was for about 195 rupees or 200 rupees, I don't really remember. I haven't worn these, so I'm not sure about the quality. I'll let you guys know. And then yeah, I came in here for the mirror, and they had all of these oval shape, round shape mirrors that I already own. So I did not get these types of mirrors. There was just one piece of the usual rectangular mirror that was left, so I just quickly grabbed that. So that's the mirror I got, and it was pretty affordable, you guys. This was only for 200 rupees, so I just quickly grabbed the last piece that was left. And I was trying out some sunglasses, nothing suited me, so I just ended up not purchasing it. It looked really funny on me. So yeah, so that is my mini tiny little haul in Miniso. And then we headed to Home Center, which I always visit when I go to malls. Whether or not I purchase anything, I like to visit Home Center and just have a quick look. But this time I did buy quite a few stuff, I would say. And we were looking at these bowls, me and my sister, for our breakfast, and sprouts and fruits and stuff like that. So these ones that I'm showing you right now, the black one and the white one, these were the ones that we wanted to buy, but these are a little expensive. This was like 600 rupees. I was like, no way. And then we found these looked cute, and it was also pretty affordable. This was for 250 rupees. The quality was great, so we ended up buying this. And the matching mugs, of course, they had matching towels, matching mugs, matching cups, so we bought that. And I was like badly on a lookout for water bottles, so I got these are actually glass bottles. They have like two colors. This is just like a cover on top. It's a glass bottle, and this retails for only 129 rupees, and the quality is really really good. I'm currently using it, and I was just looking around, trying to find some stuff that I might be interested in. I found these mirrors, but again, I had already got the mirror, plus these mirrors were expensive, so I was like, no way I'm buying another mirror. And trying to find out where to put it, where to store it properly. So these were expensive, so I did not buy them. And then we were looking at some pillows and bed sheets, and we ended up buying two bed sheets actually, because buying bed sheets really, um, having a new fresh bed sheet puts you in a good mood to be more productive. It just lifts your mood well. So we just bought two bed sheets, and these were like 600 rupees. They had various price ranges, 600 to 1500, so we just ended up getting the affordable ones. And these were the two bed sheets that we got, and they were like these decor pieces as well. It looked really really beautiful. Then again, I was thinking, where do I put this? So that made me not buy this, because I don't really need any decor pieces. I don't want to clutter my house with too many stuff, so I did not buy this. And also, they were like beautiful indoor plants. These are real plants. These are not artificial. It looked really, really nice, but again, I did not want it. I just took a video to show it to you guys. So yeah. And I also got another bottle of this for my brother. The red one is for my brother, and the blue one is for me. I love blue. And the best part is that they wrapped everything in this beautiful, not beautiful, good quality covers. So that was good. And then we went to Max. I did not buy anything because I wasn't in need of clothes. Like these days, I buy so much stuff from Myntra. So I'm like, I'm not shopping for clothes again. Okay, so I did not buy anything, but I got something for my brother. I got like a t-shirt for my brother. I do not remember a time when I did not visit a Health and Glow store whenever I've went to a mall. So I always visit Health and Glow store. And this time I wanted to buy some nail polishes. So I ended up getting quite a few. These are from Lakme. I also got some stuff that I actually needed, like a body lotion, cotton pads, some deodorants. These are like pretty new in the market, I guess. I haven't seen these around, so I got that. And I got cotton pads, and I wanted to try the spit cream out because it is Shreya Jain recommended, so I got that as well. It's pretty nice, you guys. I have used it like 2-3 times. It's very very nice. And I got a couple of nail polishes from Lakme, beautiful colors. And from Calabar, I also ended up picking some Health and Glow nail polishes that is not in this particular haul that I'm showing you. And it's been ages since we had burgers, so we went to Burger King and we ordered like a combo type of thing. We usually order a combo and end up wasting the fries, but we take it home and eat it later. We never have fries when we have burger, but we still buy it so that we can go home and have it. This is a crispy sort of patty. This is the crispiest patty that I've ever tasted. It was so good. The burger was too huge. Like even when the burgers are small, I end up wasting the fries. I don't eat fries. I have like 1 or 2 pieces only. The fries was also pretty great, and the burger was like so huge, you guys. And yeah, I just had the burger and like maybe 2 or 3 fries and the Coke, of course, the Coke. And yeah, that is how much I was enjoying the burger. It was so 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 good. I removed my earrings. I did not care how I looked. I was focused on that burger. And yeah, it was so so delicious. And that's the fries that we never had, and my aunt ended up having those fries. And my mom and my brother had their lunch at this place. It's called Dasa Dosa. My mom had idli and my brother had dosai. And yeah, this is like staple comfort food for our South Indians. We love our idli and dosais. No, it's not dosa for us, it's dosai. So yeah, we love our comfort food. And we also headed to the Krylon store. Here I just wanted to buy like a couple of detailer brushes, and these were pretty cheap, you guys. They were brushes for 100 rupees, 130 rupees. So I ended up picking 3 brushes. Those are the 3 brushes: a crease brush and 2 detailer brush for my gel eyeliner. I have this Inglot gel eyeliner. but I wanted a detailer brush for that, so I ended up picking that. And yeah, we just got those three brushes, and that's my Krylon bag that I'm showing you. And then yeah, we headed back home, and that was pretty much it for day one. And it was so much fun going out after a long time, almost a year I guess. And that's my haul. I did not get so many stuff, but I got a few useful stuff that I actually needed. I did not splurge, or I did not buy too many things, you know. So yeah, that's my Krylon brushes. And on day two, it was my aunt and uncle's anniversary, so we were heading to Barbecue Nation in Velachery. This was pretty good. This was my first time in the Velachery Barbecue Nation. I've been to the Barbecue Nation in Krompet. That's also pretty nice. So this was also nice, typical Barbecue Nation food. It was good. The ambience was also nice. So that was our table, and this is a shot before we started eating. The first thing we had were these pani puris. I love pani puris, like who doesn't? And then we are vegetarians, so we only have these mushroom, paneer, and pineapple for these grill sort of starters, and I don't like mushroom, so I just ended up having paneer and pineapple. So that's me having the pani puri. So yeah, I just had paneer and pineapple in the grill sort of starters that they provided. And I love these cheesy potatoes. These are so nice. I ended up having like 4 or 5. I did not eat in the afternoon that day, so I ate like a pig. I ate so much. And then we also had the crispy corn, which is like a staple in all barbecues, and this kebab and stuff like that. The usual barbecue starters that usually these types of places offer. And yeah, that's me enjoying my food. The cheesy potato that I really like. It's like my favorite. I had so much of that cheesy potato. I don't know what it is called. I think it's called cheesy potato. I don't know. So yeah, that's me enjoying my cheesy potato. That was actually my brother's plate. My plate was pretty bad, so I just took a shot of his plate. Yeah. And then we moved on to main course. I usually don't have main course in these types of places. I load up on these starters only, but this time I was pretty hungry and I was in the mood. And usually the main course food is not that great in these places, but that particular day it was pretty great. Or maybe I was too hungry that everything tasted good. So yeah, paneer is something that I really like. So I had paneer, some noodles, sauce with that, and then some rice, some vegetable masala. So the usual starters, I mean the usual main course that these people offer. And I also had rice with dal makhani. The rice, it was called veg dum biryani, but then there were no vegetables, so I just had it with dal makhani, which I like doing. I like having rice with dal makhani. It tastes really nice. So yeah, that's the dal makhani. I ended up eating everything in my plate. I made sure that I took only those items that I will be able to finish. So I didn't want to waste anything, so I just took those items that I will be able to finish, and I completely finished all of these things up. So yeah, that's a good thing. And we also removed the mask only when we wanted to eat. We were wearing it the whole time. So that's what I would advise you guys also to do if you're going out. So yeah, that's my brother's plate, typical South Indian: rice and rasam and vadagam. And we also ordered this type of a drink. It's called virgin mojito or something. Yeah, that was also pretty good. After so much food that I had, I wanted something to to help with the digestion, so I just ordered these. And we moved on to the dessert section after a short gap, and we had the brownie. I really like these gulab jamuns. It's so beautiful. I mean, it tastes so good, and it also looks so nice and appetizing, doesn't it? So yeah, I was loading up on these gulab jamuns, the mini ones. And there was this moong dal halwa, which was also nice. It wasn't too sweet, so it was nice. And my sister had just 2 jamuns, and I was telling her, you're gonna regret this. You would want more when you go back and sit down. So yeah, There was also this chocolate ball type of thing, a brownie and a pastry. I just ended up not having the pastry alone, but other things I finished it completely. I ate everything, and that's my sister waiting for her kulfi. So she had gulfi. I knew pretty well that I wouldn't be able to finish the gulfi, so I just didn't take it. She that's her plate. She had the gulfi, and that's it. We are heading back home, and that's all for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you want me to do more such vlogs, and let me know if you're just interested in these types of videos. This is new to me. I've never vlogged before. This is the first time ever I'm vlogging, I guess. I vlogged once. I did a DIML video, but yeah, outside this is the first time I'm vlogging. So if you enjoyed it, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you want me to make more such vlogs, kind of like an additional video apart from my regular scheduled videos. I would love to do that. Please subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Yeah, I'll see you next time in another interesting video. Until then, take care. Tata, bye bye.